circles, little tiny circles. 7, just shuffle forward. Remember, no shaking. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. It's like little steps, little tiny baby steps. Okay, so you guys got the feeling of how your toes should be. Now let's drop it down to level 1, okay? Posture up, spine aligned, moving your knees. Go. You got it, you got it. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Let's try to add our hips, okay? Little tiny whaarapu. There you go. Down. Stabilize yourself. Let's try to add a little bit of hips if you can, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Circles, little tiny circles. It's all in the core.